Ladies and fellas, the hype train continues. Let's get it. You ready?
I am ready.
Oh yeah, this is Rasengaboy, by the way.
Yeah.
Three, two, one, go.
A master
Alright, what's your
magnetism.
prediction out of the gate? I'm gonna say heavy zoner.
Yeah, that just seems right up Magneto's ally. And he's gonna have to have super armor, and it's gonna look like his manipulation of the magnetic field to make his bubble.
Oh, I love the bubble.
So far, not really any projectiles, surprisingly.
Yeah, that's what we kept saying about every other character in the first video.
It would be funny if the first character to not have projectiles would be the character that it would make most sense to have
Yeah,
projectiles.
the guy that could lift up this whole stage just by the look of it. Free flight. Oh, who? Somebody else had free flight.
Ooh.
Was it Danger that had free flight?
Uh, I don't remember if anyone else had true free flight. I know BP was able to stay in the air quite a bit.
Yeah, maybe that was it. I can't remember.
Comes an attack.
This is
Covers
such
mid-air
an
while attacking to the front. This move cannot be cancelled into normal moves. Okay.
arcade ass theme.
I love it.
Oh, a vocal drop.
I mean, Mag is one of my mains in Marvel Rivals, so might have to find a way to get him on my team.
So I actually did see a clip on Magneto from another YouTuber streamer that I watch, and I think depending on what stage you're on, the debris that Magneto throws at you changes.
That's awesome.
It changes into something that would be on that stage.
Did you hear the rumors that Adam Driver might be playing Magneto in the MCU when they do their X-Men movie?
I didn't know they were doing another X-Men movie.
Yeah, they're doing the MCU version of the X-Men. The upcoming phase after Doomsday and Secret Wars is going to be the Mutant Saga.
Huh. I don't know. I'd have to see him in the get-up, maybe.
I don't know. I just don't know if I'll be able to ever see him as anything other than Kylo Ren. Ooh, got a glimpse of Carnage there.
Oh, blue balling me with Carnage. I've been waiting for his video. Oh, and Green Goblin's there.
Well, Green Goblin's just got uploaded today as of us recording, so we'll get to see his soon.
There we go. We're getting into the juggling stuff.
Clouds of debris already on stage rain down.
Yep. You will not be knocked back by projectile or assist attacks.
Okay.
Member switch can be performed immediately if it hits. Dang.
Magnetic Maelstrom. Damn.
Yeah, he's looking pretty cool. I think this is true for any time Magneto has been in a fighting game. His utility is not like immediately present. It's subtle stuff that you can do with him that really changes his gameplay. And it still looks like that here.
You have nowhere left to run. I can bend you to my will. My dearest Aurora, can't you see the storm that is coming? One that not even you can control. You have underestimated me.
Inflicts magnetize on the opponent.
I applaud your efforts.
Need to learn more about that.
Xavier will be ashamed.
Slides just go by too fast for me to read them all.
Yeah, I'm too distracted by the visuals.
I also don't like. I don't want to learn what every single move does like right off the bat. I still want there to be some surprises when I actually play the game.
Yeah, I get that.
I shall rain my righteous fury upon you. Ride on me. Yourself. Jane stands beside you. Remember what you witnessed here. The true force of nature.
Alright, let's see the big one.
Let us stand united. I strike
That's such a dope team.
for man and mutant alike. Humans have taken so much from you.
So really cool. But something I want to say, little comic booky, I thought the Sentinel were made out of a type of metal Magneto couldn't control.
I have no idea. That would make sense because Sentinels were designed to kill mutants. So
Make it swift.
why would you
Yeah.
why would you play into the strength of one of the strongest ones?
Right. Yeah. Magic.
By
You know
far
Limbo-
my most played card in Marvel Snap.
I used to think I'd hate fighting you, but right
That 7th turn is just too good.
now, for you. Okay.
Ease of use, 4 stars, so not an easy character at all.
I wouldn't think that just by looking at her. I mean, she's a sword character. Hit him with the sword. What are we doing? I gotta say, I think she looks really good in the anime art style.
Yeah. Honestly, there's not too many of the characters that are in this art style that I don't care for.
Okay, so she can teleport with this. That's what I read.
Alright. So that's probably where the big skill gap comes in for their
Yeah.
rating system then.
All the movement, all the setups you can do with that. That does look like a lot of fun to play around with, though.
Yeah.
I know too easy, but you've got to do the basics.
Oh yeah, that's too fun. This girl's going on my team, 100%.
Teleport! Look out, I'm coming.
And already gonna have to start making cuts to what I want for my main team, because yeah, that shit looks too fun not to use.
There's her projectile. She could just randomly throw a fireball. Maybe she can do that in the comics, I don't know. I like that piano drop that they just did.
So far, I've liked all the music. I don't think they've had a bad soundtrack yet.
I could definitely catch myself listening to this soundtrack, like driving to work and stuff. Something
sure.
needs to replace the Street Fighter 4 soundtrack because I've been listening to that a lot, and I don't want to get burnt out.
Demon flame. You can't fight a demon. Burn. I love to see you burn.
Oh, utilizing that with the portal. Dang, dude.
Are you just playing? Take this seriously. Leave it to me. Yes.
Seems like she's gonna have some pretty good assists for
Yeah.
combo extenders.
I saw jiggle physics. A plus.
To bow before Dark Child.
Dark Child.
The Queen.
Oh.
No more time to make you kneel.
Okay, it's a gauge.
And the more you have built
More
up,
powerful.
the slower it decreases, I guess.
More powerful attacks, it says. Cool. Oh.
Come with me into the sky. Take straight for hell.
Dark Child assist too. Okay.
Cool.
That's super interesting. This has got to be the first character we've seen so far that has alterations to their assists, right?
I believe so. I can't think of anyone else that did.
Oh yeah, listen to that.
theme is awesome.
Playing a Killer Instinct game all of a sudden.
You know, Killer Instinct is free to play now, so I have been kind of thinking about playing that.
Killer Instinct's fun.
Coming to take your rotten soul. Now let's finish them off. No holding back.
How crazy would it be if you could teleport your assist characters too?
That would be nutty.
Now, this battle is
Cool in the assemble assist changes depending on which character of the team is the one to hit the final blow.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Jessie Valinsky, shout out to her. I really like that voice.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, that was such an appealing character,
she's so
dude.
cool. So cool.
I've been wanting to see this character.
Yeah, I think Penny is gonna be pretty unique.
Konnichiwa, hajimemashite. I'm Penny Parker. Nice to meet you.
I like the purple robot, my streamer colors.
Let me show you what my little friend can do.
I love how like every variation of Penny Parker, the mech looks so different.
Yeah. It's kind of her thing. I think she's like always making something new in the comics.
That might have been too easy.
Oh my gosh. Her little toys are gonna be so fun.
RCXD.
The question is, does she have a tactical nuke?
So I wonder if you can choose which one, or if it just comes out at random.
Oh, she's Duck Hunt Dog from Smash Bros. Oh, and it could be hit back? Okay, that's cool.
Alright, we're playing volleyball with that fucking bomb.
Absolutely.
Damn.
Test is going great.
Whilst, dude, that's so cool.
I'm a top shelf pilot. This kind of thing is easy peasy.
Climbing up and down the wall like that.
That's cool. That's creative, I like that.
System check complete. All clear.
If she can grab the wall while being comboed as like a escape plan, that would be S tier.
Yeah,
Cool.
that would be a
Little
little broken, honestly.
little mid-air grapple. That's cool. It looks like her moves are giving her quite a bit of screen coverage, which makes sense for a big character like this.
Spider spin.
Okay. Pretty basic launcher. I want to see more stage transitions.
Flying spider.
That's my move right there.
It's the Bowser butt bomb.
Yeah. Do it in every game if I can.
Alright, here we go, everyone. Okie dokie. Here we go.
Oh man. I'm gushing over every character.
Mecha Blender. Look out.
Like, Marvel bias aside, I don't think there has been a bad looking character so far, to be completely honest.
Yeah, this is Arc Systems, alright.
Executing command.
Our bond can't be broken. Spider. Yes, no. Yes, God. Go. We doing this?
Executing command.
Coming at ya. Great. But I know you can do even more. Sweet. Just go. Spider spin. On our way.
Cool. Is there not a stage transition on this stage? I feel like that should have popped through.
I mean, maybe it's going to be like Invincible Versus, where there's a dedicated way to do the stage transition, and if you don't do it, they just get stuck in the corner.
Maybe.
Concentrated fire. Here goes.
Nice.
Battle over! Nice job, Spider! You picked the wrong battle!
Oh no, she's cute.
That was cool. I like that. I like that quite a bit. Penny, not a character that I know too much about, but anytime I've seen her in a game, that she's ended up being pretty damn cool.
Yeah, yeah.